Hello, welcome back. Day 2 on renovating this house. Young couple bought it. It's in Manchester. It's a bit of a trek. We're a bit late today because someone crashed. But here we are. So the plan is, let me show you quickly. The plan is to skim this room that you saw was bored and damp yesterday. Then we're going looking at a job tonight. So at 4:30. So we may as well just stay here and work. It's literally round the corner, the other job. So we may as well stay here and get cracking in this room. So we can hopefully want to get the ceiling boarded. So I want to get that skimmed, hopefully get the ceiling boarded, and hopefully get these. The guy that fitted the window is the guy that kind of gave me the contact and give me the job. So he wants me to sand and cement from there to there to give this lot a bit of strength. Same on the other side and same downstairs. But I'm not fussed, it's no great deal to me. But what I have got, instead of getting actual sand and cement, I've got something that I think's better. Do you know when you're rendering and you put the scrim adhesive on, the scrim backing, that dries rock hard. So that's what I'm going to put on there. I think it's a better job. It's a sand and cement based product and it's breathable. So it's a better job and it can dry quicker. It can set and dry quicker than sand and cement. So it's a better product. So everyone's happy, I'm happy, that's stronger and it dries in time and everything. The other thing is, this wall now, she just informed me, doesn't want boarding over, just wants skimming. So that's okay. Just probably a bit of floating at the bottom and then skim it. But I can dab over all this lot and dab this lot. So by the end of play, we've got 3 days here this week. By the end of day 3, hopefully that'll be skimmed and this will all be boarded and dabbed and ready to skim Monday morning, which should be good. I'll be happy at that. So what we've got to do in this room. So she wants the corners, she wants these sort of rounded to match everything else. So I'm going to have to scrim it and fill them out with skimming first and then skim the whole room. And I keep thinking it is doable to do it in one go, so I might have a filler to fill everything out and then just have a bucket up to the nuts, as I like to say, and just skim it all in one go. There's no reason why we shouldn't. I can get the ceiling and 2 walls and Liam can get 2 walls, so we're just in each other's way a bit, but I'm sure it'll be fine. So we need to, first thing, tape up, bead up, get the SBR on, and then we can start skimming. Another thing I noticed, right, I don't know if I should be concerned or not, is the fact that I went on my channel yesterday to do some stuff. I had something like 5 unsubscribers in the last sort of month. Which is a bit concerning. What sort of word's that? A bit concerning. So get in the comments and let me know if you're thinking of unsubscribing and why. Am I doing something wrong? Is there something I'm not doing? Has the channel changed? You know what I mean? Get in the comments, let me know. Subscribers are not, not the aim of the game, I suppose. I don't know. But if you're not subscribing, if you unsubscribe, that means you don't like it anymore. So what's changed? Let me know what you want to see and like and subscribe. Stop unsubscribing. Good job Liam's not here. Good job Liam's not here, giving me some right load of rabble. What's he doing? I can see him out the window in the van just messing. Right. Let's get some work done. Right, that's it. All beaded and taped. Ready to go. Liam's just mixing a filler. Got my beads on. Lovely. I've done all the SBR on these, what we filled in yesterday with board adhesive. Yeah, so we're going for it. We're actually going for it in one mix. It's not that big, is it? I just need to unscrew that. What I did yesterday was when I dabbed that, I just screwed this on just to hold it in place. What they'll have to do is put plantons. They'll have to measure that, go and get some rip down and put a plant on, and then architrave on. because it was only thin, you know what I mean? The floating that was on before was only thin, so that's all you can do. Just work like that to it. Right, I'll get that unscrewed, and then I'll start turning them, and we'll fill everything out, and then we'll have the mix once that's picked up a little bit. I'll show you that when I'm turning that. Right, here goes. So all I'm doing, just fill that in. Right. Piece of piss. And then just fill round like that. It's tricky there, near this flipping bit of wood. Oh, in my face. Right, Liam, fill everything out, lad. And this is what I was telling you yesterday about leaving that a bit further in than the two sides. Because watch this now. Okay, that's filled in. Lovely. Oh, not for me. We're going for it. Every wall, one big hit, ceiling and walls. Tez, my mate, will be going crazy. He don't like wet angles, does he?
No. I'm in both benches, you fat prick. You just step on it.
You fat prick. Not very nice, Liam. Right, everything's filled out. I've rounded them, I've actually gone over them twice, like I said. Everything's filled out. Nice and bonny. The reveals are on. Liam's mixed up. So I'm going to start lashing on. So I'm going to lash the walls on first and then just give that turn a bit more time to pick up. Then I'll put the ceiling on. Right, I'm not going to film any of it because this room's far too small and I can't bloody move. Right, so I'll bring you back on, right, when it's all skimmed. Right. That was the day all done. The room's finished. What happened was, we got all the walls on, right? Got Got the reveals on as you saw, and then there weren't enough. There weren't enough for that ceiling, so once this had done, what the hell is that there? Might need attention tomorrow, let's have a look at it. Might have just caught it there, can you see it? Might not be, it might be where I've caught it and I've filled it. I'll have to have a look tomorrow. But yeah, she's made up anyway. And that's the room done. And I'm sweating my cock off because we've loaded up as well. We've loaded up in here for tomorrow. I was hoping to get this ceiling done, but the job that I was supposed to go looking at later, that's got rearranged for Monday now. So guess what? Yeah, it's home time. Oh, we did this as well. That needs scratching actually. What the guy who fitted the windows, like I said to you yesterday, wanted that sand and cementing. Does it need scratching? Bonding will stick to that anyway. I best just send Skim face up, I suppose, with the scratcher. He's been talking Irish all flipping afternoon. I don't know what he's up with him. He's just been doing this Irish accent. I don't know if you've seen like a little kid who's on, I think it's TikTok, and he goes like, oh, what a town, what a village. You wouldn't get skies like that in the Bahamas. And that Liam can't stop doing it for some unknown reason. I don't know what I'm going to do with him. But anyway, so that is it for today. We're just going to bring some skimming in. On the way home, we'll probably get some more boards. I was going to get a delivery here, but I'm kind of glad I didn't because the access is a pain in the arse. So I'm bringing like 15 at a time in my van, or 12 at a time in my van, or whatever. We need 4 more for up here, and then we're done upstairs. So that's at least the hard sort of bit. You just have to get it onto the grass and then in the house and not up the bloody stairs. But anyway, that's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and look out for tomorrow's episode because we're hoping, my plan is to board and dab this, board the ceiling and dab the walls in here, and it's done. But I have got a problem. Let me just show you this. I don't know if you can see, but I don't know if it's making it out, but that ceiling like dives up there, so got a bit of fettling to do tomorrow with that. I might have to put some strips on or something, or maybe just board it and set a bead flush and float it out. I don't really know. That's not a bad shout actually. It's not a bad shout, that demo, but I don't know what to do. And this is part of plastering. You do stuff and then you put it up and you're not happy with it, so you come up with another solutions. You're always thinking about sorting stuff out. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Get in the comments. Let me know what you want to see. Let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a hype. And I'll look out for tomorrow's video. See you later.